Okay, this is going to be a quick tutorial, and it was requested on how I made my Bumble Bee in Silhouette software. And I don't know if it's the right way or whatever. I just use what I can find and make patterns. And I'm not a pro at it or anything by no means. I just try and work with things. But anyways, to make the bumblebee, I came here to the different shapes, and I see this half circle. So that's a good place to start. Okay, now I'm going to highlight this. First, I want to kind of straighten it. I can see it's a little crooked. Okay, I'm going to right click and I'm going to flip it vertically. And then I'm going to come down, I'll right click again, and I'm going to hit convert to path. That makes it where I can put nodes in it and different things if I need them. All right, from there, I am probably wanting to pull the back down just a bit and maybe put a little node right in here, I think. Let me click that back. I don't want that. You can always back off. I'm going to pull that in just a little bit. You really just got to look and watch and see what you're doing. And if you don't like it, just go up there to your back arrow. I'll pull that down just a little more. Now, you can see where it's coming up a little like that. Well, I hope you can see it. I'll enlarge it a little bit. Now, I'm going to make the head. I'm going to go up here to the side panel where your circle, your oval, and your square is. And I'm going to select the oval. And I'm going to hold down my shift key. And I'm going to make a circle. And then I'm just going to fit it down on there where I think I want it. Okay, about right there, I think. Maybe out just a little bit. Okay. Bring this back down just a little bit. Bring that circle in. Now I'm going to highlight both of them. Right click and weld. And there I have the body. Now if I want to do anything else to it that I think maybe bring the head down a little bit, I can that way with the nodes. Or bring this in a little bit right in here. I'm just working with the nodes. And you can see what that looks like. I think that looks fine. Now, we need a wing. I'll go over here, the side panel to your left. I'm going to select an oval. And I'm going to make an oval. And I'm going to kind of tilt it to where I can see, make it look more like what I'm wanting. I'm going to bring it up here. I can tell it needs to come out some. This way I can kind of tell what it looks like. It's starting to look like a wing, but I want it coming in a little bit right in here. So I'm going to get me a node, pull that in. Maybe put one right here and pull that in. And it's not going to look identical every time. I want to kind of make it a little pointed, more pointed. Okay. Let's shorten it some and fatten it up a little bit. And there, I have a wing. And I make it so I can print it out. I'll select both of these. And I go over to the right on my lines. Open, it says the line style pattern. I'll click that. And I'll go up where it has the colored lines. Click in there. I'll make them black. And then I'll go back right over one tab over. And on the thickness, I'll thicken that up just a little bit. So it makes it thicker. So when I print that out, I have a pattern. And you just go over here to File, Print, and print again. And then you choose whatever, whichever printer you're going to use. And you hit Print. Of course, you can hit your preferences, best, whatever. I usually like to do a print preview. There, it's going to give me one because it was automatically on it. And it must have been on my sublimation printer because it flipped it automatically. My sublimation printer I have set to flip in my printer settings. It automatically flips. But if I selected a different printer, it wouldn't have done that. But that's it. Now I just hit print, and I could use that pattern. It doesn't really matter. I can hit print, and that's on a piece of paper, and it's going to print out, and I'm going to have my pattern. Now, okay, if you want to make a bigger bee, as you know, all you have to do is this. Holy moly, it must be trying to print. And there's no paper in it. I thought I canceled it. Anyways, that is how you do it. It was simple and easy, and I have a pattern.